one of the things you mentioned early on with lapels and Larry, was it perk you said? So can you
Yeah.
kind of dive in? How has it changed where, there's a lot of talk about climate change, being environmentally friendly. How are you guys able to kind of adapt with those times?
Yeah, the industry as a whole has really had sort of this black eye in terms of the chemicals that they use. And your old school dry cleaner really has this thought about perk being, hey, it's aggressive and it gets everything out, you know?
Yeah,
And we knew for years that it was an issue with getting into the groundwater contamination. And
yeah.
a landlord and have a dry cleaner using perk, the odds of you having some sort of contamination issue is 100%. And I know, there are cleaners that will say, nah, I take good care of it. And inevitably, it's going to get into the sink and, somewhere there is going to be this issue. So we've always known about the groundwater concerns. And then over the years, we've now found out that it is a carcinogen, meaning it's not good for people. And so, I said Larry wanted to get into the industry doing it in a different way. Early on, we aligned with a company called Green Earth Cleaning. And Green Earth at that same time was formulating a dry cleaning solution that was very different than anybody had seen. It was a liquid silicone. It broke down naturally to sand and water. And it was the only, and still today is the only 100% environmentally non-toxic dry cleaning solution. And
Oh,
so
wow.
that's been our partner for, the 20 years. And as we've acquired these other companies, that is the master game plan to really start cleaning up all the stores. And as we open new stores, they all have Green Earth. All the lapel stores have Green Earth. So yeah, that's an important thing to note, which is we operate in a 100% environmentally non-toxic cleaning world. And that has helped us not only be better for our customers, be better for the earth. It's also been a great business development strategy for us. So the Starwood hotels and the General Dynamics and the Intels and the Googles of the world, they want to align with somebody that is sustainable, that's non-toxic. And they didn't think
Yeah.
that existed in the dry cleaning world for years.
Hmm.
But it does. And that's been a great partnership for us.
That's fascinating. And is that Green Earth relationship specific to clean franchise brands?
So our private equity partners went out and acquired Green Earth Cleaning
Okay.
last year. And so that was a nice strategic move for them. They really believe in our industry and garment care as a whole, and
Hmm.
wanted to do better for the environment. So it is not unique to clean brands. There are other customers out there utilizing Green Earth,
Yeah.
and not just like dry cleaners, but Four Seasons hotels that have dry cleaning machines,
Okay.
St. Regis hotels, Tuxedo, Men's Warehouse. So there are
Hmm.
lots of different companies outside of just the brick and mortar dry cleaning world that use this solution.
Okay. That's super interesting. I know we only have a couple minutes left. So